Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yoyis, and on my channel I teach you guys everything you need to know about lash extensions. And I also do lash artist vlogs. I do have a series called Lash Baby's Killing It. I pretty much sit down with other lash artists and chat about their journey, talk about their dreams and goals. And I am starting a new series. I feel like I start a new series on here all the time where I pretty much do product review for you guys. I want to start trying out different products and give you guys my honest opinion about different products. I feel like it's kind of my job, and especially as a lash artist, it is our job to try to look for something better and try out different products. That I was going to start doing product reviews. So this is my first video on different lash brands and just trying out different brands and seeing how it works. So for today's video, I'm only going to be doing an unboxing. So I do have a brand that reached out to me. They were nice enough to reach out to me and send me some products to test out for you guys. So this is going to be part one of this video. I'm going to have a part two where I actually sit down and do a full set and actually try their products and give you guys my honest review about them. So let's jump right into the unboxing. Okay, so it did come in this bag. Okay, so first thing in this box is these cute little they sent me some little antler ears. There you go. These are so cute, so festive. I'm probably gonna end up giving these to my nephew so he could like play with them, but these are so cute, to get you guys in that Christmas spirit, because by the time you guys are seeing this, it'll probably be Christmas week. I'm actually excited about this. One thing I will say is that whoever delivered my package must have just been throwing my stuff around, because the package got all ruined. But anyways, can we talk about this cute little packaging? So the brand I am talking about today is Veyes. I think I'm saying that right. Veyes. I'm pretty sure it's Veyes, but it's Veyelash Factory, Veyelash Factory. First of all, the packaging is super cute. You guys already know that this is my favorite color. They said it was a pink box, but this looks purple to me. Honestly, this looks like a lilac color, and I know because lilac has been my favorite color right now. So when you open it, they did give me a few little products to try out, and again, they got their cute little logo on the box. This little packaging is everything. It's so cute. Okay, so first thing in this box, on the back, it just shows the different type of lashes that they have. That's actually really cute. They have classics, looks like hybrid, volume, and mega volume. I love that they actually added that on there. That's really, really cute. Ooh, those lashes are fire. Okay, so first thing in this box is these tweezers. This tweezer that they gave me, and I love that it actually came in this little container. That way they don't get damaged, because the package, as you can see, was thrown around. So I'm glad that these came protected in this little case, and I think I am gonna enjoy these tweezers. Hopefully they have a good grip, because I love tweezers like this. If you guys know, if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I love tweezers that are like 45-degree angle tweezers. As you can see, tweezers like this are my favorite. I feel like for pinchers, like I am a pincher, so for people who like to pinch, these tweezers are literally the best. Most of my tweezers that I like are like this. And can we talk about the actual like rainbow color? So cute, love it. Next item that I am actually really excited about is their pink. I think she mentioned it's purple tape, but I think it's pink. Like it matches my nails, so I think it's like pink tape. You can see, really cute. It's like pinkish purplish, but it's very sturdy. But this one actually has some grip. As you can see, it has really good grip, so I am excited to use this. I'm really excited because you guys know that I am all about tape, and I am always looking for good tape because my favorite tape is the Next Care Blue Sensitive tape. And if this is as good as that one, I am gonna recommend it for the rest of my life. So yeah, they sent me this cute little pink purple tape. It's so cute. Next item is the lash adhesive. So this is a 5mm lash adhesive, 0.5 to 1 second to 1 to 2 seconds. So I guess depending on the humidity and your room temperature, it just depends on how fast your glue will dry, but it says anywhere between 0.5 to 2 seconds. Lasting time is 6 to 8 weeks. Humidity is between 40% to 70%, and temperature is 20 degrees Celsius to negative 30 degrees Celsius. Whoa. Yeah, pretty much just telling you what to do on the back. But the packaging is really cute. I really like this packaging, and this is what the glue looks like. But I can't wait to try it out. I want to see how good it is, and hopefully the retention is good. So I will keep you guys updated if the retention is good. I think I'm gonna have to mess around with my humidity and my room temperature to see how good the glue works with my room temperature. So I'm gonna have to mess around with that before I give you guys my honest opinion, because I don't want to try it one time and then be like, oh no, I didn't like it. I'm gonna give this a try for like a week or so and actually give you guys my honest opinion about it. Sometimes first impressions are not always, you know, accurate. You have to give a new glue a try for like a week or two. So again, I'm gonna give this quite a while to see how I really like it. I'll keep you guys updated. The next thing in this box are a couple of lashes: 0.15 mix tray, 0.03 mix tray, and 0.05 mix tray. Very basic. So let me open them up. Okay guys, I cannot do nothing with nails. I don't know how you guys could work with like long nails. I can't even open this. So if you guys have long nails and you guys can like easily pick up stuff and open stuff, I don't know how you guys do it. Okay, so they go from 8mm to 16mm, which is pretty basic for any lash brand. So this one right here is the 0.05. I actually haven't played around with 0.05 lashes in a long time. Normally my go-to to make volume fans is 0.4. I just like that they are lighter and you can make a little, you know, bigger fans. So these seem pretty nice, really nice. So again, I am gonna be doing a first impressions, so I am not gonna try any of these products out in this video. I am gonna be doing a part 2 where I pretty much sit down and actually record the whole process from beginning to end and give you guys my honest review on the lashes and everything else. The next one that I'm opening up is Classic Lashes in 0.015. So these are D-curl. All of them are D-curl. I tend to use D-curl a lot, but these are really curly. Look at that curl. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but they are really curly. So I can't wait to try this. And then the last one that I got is the 0.3 mix. And honestly, I'm still trying to figure out what style I want to do for you guys, because I want to be able to try out all the products. So maybe I could do a hybrid set for you guys, but I feel like I have a lot of hybrid sets. Maybe I'll do a mega volume set. The little 8mm lashes are so cute. They're so little. They're so little. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look how little they are. But overall, the lashes look beautiful. They look like they're gonna fan out really nicely. But yet again, it all depends too, because they might look nice on the tray, but when you actually start playing with them, they, you know, things just happen. So I might end up doing a mega volume set for you guys, but I feel like I'm gonna mix in 0.5 and 0.3 for you guys and kind of do like a hybrid mega volume set for you guys. I think I'm gonna do that for you guys. I think it will be a lot better to do that, try that out for you guys. That way I could get a feel for both of them. So I think I'm gonna do that. Next thing I got is a little lash tile. So again, it's like a lilac-ish, purplish color. Super cute. I think it's like the same color as their tape. Like, look at that. It's so cute. So look how cute that lash tile is. I love that at the top it has the curl. You can write down the curl and then the thickness, and then on the side right here you're able to put these glue ring dots, as you can see. So I did get 2 of them. I got 2 glue ring dots that you could put right here, and then you can also put, like, I use the flower cups, so I'll probably end up gluing the flower cups on here since I prefer those anyways. But I love that they have a little circle right there, so that's actually very, very convenient. And then you could put sizes from 8 to 17. So cute. And I love that it goes long ways horizontally instead of vertical. I know most lash tiles go, you know, they are longer this way, but I like that it's actually long this way. It's actually very convenient. What do you guys think? So if you guys are on the market to look for cute lash tiles, this is definitely a good one. And last and final thing, some of their spoolies, micro swabs, lipstick applicators, glue rings, and eyelash pads. Just to show you guys, eye pads. I love their cute little spoolie brushes. It's like in this purple ombre color, super cute. These lilac micro swabs, I do have a lot of these. I just recently got them in this color too. Lipstick applicators, which I have the same ones as well, with like the pink little glitter. And for these, I use these to wash my clients' lashes, so I am definitely going to be using that. The only thing that I do not use at all are glue rings. I feel like these sorry guys, I feel like these just don't do nothing for me. Like, I do not like glue rings at all. I think it's because I've seen so many disasters happen with them, and it kind of traumatized me from the very beginning, and I avoided the crap out of these glue rings. Like, accidents could happen, so no, I stay away from glue rings at all. I use flower cups, which it's like a little cup, but you could make your fans easier. So this is very nice that I was able to get all of that. I honestly love their whole packaging. Everything about their color aesthetic, like everything about this is just super, super cute. So again guys, the brand that I'm trying out for you guys is Veyelash. So it's Veyelash, and then I'm gonna be trying out all the products for you guys and give you guys my honest review. So the next video that you guys are gonna be seeing is from this brand. So I am excited to start this whole series so many series on here. Okay, so I am excited to try out different products and different brands for you guys, and I am excited that the first one, they actually reached out to me. So thank you Veyelash for sending me your products, and I can't wait to try them out. So Veyelash did give me a discount code for you guys. That way, if you guys are interested in trying out these products, I will have everything linked down below, or I will put it here for you guys, so make sure to screenshot it. But again, everything will be in the description box for you guys if you guys still want to check them out. So the next video that I am posting is going to be a full-on demonstration of all these products, and I am excited. I can't wait to try them out. So that pretty much wraps up today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are interested in trying out different brands, comment down below and let me know which brand you guys have been eyeballing and want me to try out before you guys go and spend your money. Because I know as a beginner lash artist, it is pretty hard, because you know, it's kind of confusing because there's so many brands out there and you're just like, oh my god, like I don't know what to try, or you know, is it even a good brand? So comment down below what other brands you guys would like to see. That way I could add it to my list and, you know, start trying out different brand for you guys. So if you guys like today's video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what you guys would like to see next. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on future lash content. So if you guys want to see me try out these products, make sure to be notified. That way you guys don't miss out on me trying out this brand. So again guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.